Hello students, in this video we will be discussing the question number 7 of the June 2017 OCR programming paper. Now in this question number 7, the question says that a computer game has a stored number and it gives the user 10 attempts to guess what number it is. Now if the user gets it correct, then the game will congratulate them. And if the user has guessed it incorrectly, then the game will tell whether the user has to give a number which is higher or lower than their guess. And total 10 attempts will be there. So we have to write an algorithm using iteration. So what will be there? The game will store one number by default. Then it will ask the user to guess the number, and then it will output congratulations. Then if the user is unable to guess it, then whether the higher or lower number has to be entered, and total the loop should execute exactly 10 times. So when we look at the solution, this question is for 6 marks. So let us look at the solution. So you will get 1 mark per bullet. And what are those bullets? First of all, storing the number that the user has to guess, you will get 1 mark. Then the loop will work exactly 10 times, you will get another mark. Then the input you will collect for the user's guess, you will get 1 mark. Then if it is correct and you are printing the output congratulations, you will get 1 mark. If it is incorrect, then greater or smaller number needs to be entered. For printing this message, you will get one mark. For telling the greater number has to be entered, and 1 mark for the smaller number has to be entered. So this is how the marks are divided. So let us look at the logic. So first of all, you say number is equal to 50. So you will get 1 mark for writing this. Then you say x is equal to 0. X is being used for the iteration. You can write this code using for loop also, while also, repeat until also. I am discussing the solution with the while loop. So x is equal to 0. Then you say while x is less than 10, you have to continue in the loop. Since we are starting from 0, that is why we have put less than 10. So the loop will work from 0 to 9. Then you ask the user to enter their guess. Then you compare the user entered number with the number. Then you output congratulate if both are same. And you set the value of x to 10 so that the loop does not continue. Now, however, if the user is unable to guess, that is, it is not equal to the number, then if guess is more than the number, you will say you have to guess a lower number. Otherwise, you will say you have to guess a higher number. And this if-else ladder is within the while. And here we are incrementing the value of x by 1 so that every time the loop will proceed forward for the next value of x. So if you write this code and you keep these points in mind, then you will get appropriate marks. Thank you very much.